Welcome everybody. On this video you will learn how to show all your contacts on WhatsApp. As you see, I have more than 1,400 names saved on my contacts, but only 47 names are shown on WhatsApp. Open Contacts app and make a backup for your contacts. Select Import/Export option. Select Export option, then select the storage memory. Download and install Add Country Code app. Also, make backup for your contacts using this app. Press on Add Country Code option. Change the format of your contacts from this menu, like the length, first two numbers, and with, or without zero. Enter the country code from the last option on this menu. Press on Next button to continue. Press on this icon to select all names, then press on Update button to complete the task. Change the format again to add the country code to contacts from other mobile companies. Open WhatsApp app and update the contact list. Yes. All contacts with WhatsApp are now shown on my WhatsApp contacts list. Finally, if you are unable to see any contact on WhatsApp, make sure that WhatsApp has a permission to access your contacts. Go to Setting, Application, Application Manager, select WhatsApp app, press on Permission option and make sure that the Contacts option turned on.